The Bugatti Veyron is more than just a car. It is a symbol of human engineering, ambition, and the pursuit of ultimate performance. When it was launched in 2005, the world had never seen anything like it. Bugatti and its parent company, Volkswagen, set out on a mission to create not just a supercar, but a hypercar machine that would shatter all boundaries of speed, power, and luxury. The Veyron was born from a dream. Ettore Bugatti, the company's founder in the early 1900s, was known for building cars that combined elegance with engineering brilliance. Decades later, Volkswagen resurrected Bugatti with one bold idea: to build the fastest and most advanced car ever made. Their target was outrageous: a car with over 1,000 horsepower, capable of more than 250 miles per hour, yet refined enough to be driven like a luxury grand tourer. Many thought it was impossible, but Bugatti made it real. At the heart of the Veyron lies one of the most astonishing engines ever built, an 8.0-liter W16 with 4 turbochargers. To put it simply, it's like fusing two V8 engines together. This beast produces over 1,001 horsepower and an incredible 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. The numbers alone were unheard of at the time, but building such an engine came with huge challenges. Cooling it required 10 different radiators, and the car's design had to be sculpted for maximum aerodynamics, while still looking elegant. Even the tires were revolutionary. Michelin had to create special high-speed tires, capable of withstanding speeds well over 250 miles per hour, and the results were mind-blowing. The Bugatti Veyron could go from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Its top speed was officially recorded at 253 miles per hour, or 407 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world at the time. But speed came at a cost. At full throttle, the Veyron consumed fuel so fast that its 26-gallon tank could be drained in just 12 minutes. But during those 12 minutes, you could cover more than 50 miles at maximum speed. Of course, a car this powerful came with a price tag that matched its performance. The base price of the Bugatti Veyron was around $1.7 million when it launched, instantly making it one of the most expensive cars in the world. As new versions arrived, the price climbed even higher. The Veyron Super Sport, which hit 267 miles per hour, cost around $2.4 million, while the open-top Grand Sport Vitesse was priced at nearly $2.6 million. Some ultra-limited editions, like the Bugatti Veyron Sanguine and L'Or Blanc, were even more expensive, with collectors paying well over $3 million. And today, in the resale market, pristine examples can go for even higher. The car's performance quickly made it a legend. The BBC's Top Gear famously tested the Veyron, with James May pushing it to its top speed on Volkswagen's Aerolessian test track. The episode stunned the world and cemented the Veyron's place in automotive history. It wasn't just about speed, though. The car was remarkably comfortable, with luxury leather interiors, smooth handling, and a refinement no one expected from a machine this powerful. Over the years, Bugatti introduced several versions of the Veyron. The Veyron Grand Sport was an open-top version, combining hypercar performance with the thrill of a convertible. Then came the Veyron Super Sport, which broke its own record by hitting 267 miles per hour, briefly becoming the fastest car in the world again. The Grand Sport Vitesse followed, giving convertible drivers the same record-breaking performance. Each version pushed the limits of technology further, ensuring that the Veyron remained at the top of the automotive food chain for over a decade. But beyond the numbers, the Bugatti Veyron represented something greater. It showed the world what was possible when money, technology, and human ambition had no limits. With the production run limited to 450 units worldwide, it became not only a machine of speed but also an exclusive work of art. Even after Bugatti moved on to the Chiron, the legacy of the Veyron continues. It was the car that redefined the hypercar category, the car that every other manufacturer looked up to. Koenigsegg, Hennessy, McLaren, and many others took inspiration from the Veyron when designing their own record-breaking machines. Nearly 2 decades after its release, the Bugatti Veyron remains one of the most important cars ever built. It wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. It changed the way the world looked at cars, proving that impossible goals can be achieved with enough innovation and determination. The Veyron isn't just a Bugatti, it's a statement, a piece of history, and one of the greatest cars the world has ever seen.